Hello, welcome back. This is one of those videos that won't get much attention, at least not initially. But if you've run into this issue, you'll be glad that I posted this video, so I hope it helps a few of you out. So I just bought the new iFlight CineFlow that has the DJI O4 unit Pro built into it. Now, the model that I bought has the Crossfire, as you can see here with the antenna, built into it. And to set everything up properly, you'll need to bind the Crossfire Nano receiver to your controller. And to do that, you need to know exactly where to find that bind button for that Nano receiver. Now, I couldn't find any documentation for this on the iFlight website, and nothing was in the box, so it may be a little nuts trying to find it. And for those of you who may have previously owned or own a Nazgul Evoke with Crossfire built into it, you may already know the answer to this, but I hope this video helps a few of you out. So the bind button on this new iFlight CineFlow 5 is on the underside of the quad toward the back as shown here. Now I simply used a paper clip to press the bind button. So it's not that complicated, but if you don't know where to find this, it'll drive you nuts trying to locate it. You may even try to tear the whole quad apart. Don't do that. On a side note, I did reach out to iFlight on their website through a support ticket, and apparently they're celebrating the Chinese New Year right now. So don't expect a response if you're sending them something between January 23rd and February 4th. If you happen to reach out to them, you're not going to get a response right now. Also, when iFlight ships this quad, it's important to remember that they ship this quad in angle mode, self-balancing mode. It's the default setting. So just make sure when you're setting up all your switches in Betaflight, you update that setting so you can switch between angle mode and full acro mode. Something to just be aware of as well. There's a small sticker on one of the arms here, but it's easy to miss. That's it. Just a quick heads up. If you bought this new quad or you're thinking about buying it, I'll see everybody in the next video.